Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to explain how to use your photo as wallpaper on iPhone. That is how to set your wallpaper using your photo on your iPhone. If at the end of this video guys you find it so helpful and informative, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now for you to use your photo as wallpaper on your iPhone, first thing to do is to go ahead and click on your settings, open it up. It's now bring you to this page. Just go ahead and search for wallpaper and click on it. It will bring you to this page. Just go ahead and click on add new wallpaper, or you scroll to the left side until you locate a plus button like this. Just click on it. Now it will bring you to this page with a lot of features where we have photos, photo shuffle, live photo, emoji and others. Just go ahead and click on photos. It will now bring you to your photo gallery where you have all your pictures, and you'll be able to locate or search or choose any of your choice to use for the wallpaper. Just go ahead and click any photo of your choice. After that, it will bring you to your home screen like this. Just go ahead and click on add at the right corner of the page. Now it will now bring it out like this, where we have set as wallpaper pair and customize home screen. If you choose set as wallpaper pair, the picture you've chosen wouldn't be able to clear. It will just be blur. The clarity of the photo won't appear so well. For you to make sure the photo is cleared enough on your screen, just go ahead and click on customize home screen. Now can you see it like this guys? It bring out the picture in blurry condition. At the down page, just go ahead and click on blur. You can see at the down page of this page you will see pair, color gradient, photo and blur. Just go ahead and click on blur. See now, when you click on that blur, it make the photo so clear. So after that, go ahead and click on done at the right corner of that page. Can you see it now? That means we've chosen that photo as our wallpaper. Now let's minimize this page and go to our home screen. Maybe the photo has been set as wallpaper already. Can you see it guys? Can you see the screen? Can you see my home screen now? That means we've chosen that picture as our wallpaper. So guys, that is how to use photo as wallpaper on iPhone. If you find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, share with people and turn on your notification bell for more updates so that you'll be notified whenever I drop my video. Thanks for watching guys. See you guys around in my next video.